and to look after. But humans will be involved in creative, innovative, transformational, and there's so much work to be done. It isn't as if we've understood all the problems of the universe, as if we've understood how to live peacefully in the planet, how we've learned to preserve the planet, how to make it better. I mean, we could do a little bit of undoing also, if in a sense we have spoiled or done some damage to the planet. So I think we'll have a tea break now. After the tea break will be the last session. We'll have the Pachapcha thing which was left over from the previous one, and J.M. Pant and Prahlad will talk about that. Then we have a very distinguished lawyer, Karnika Seth, and you talked about lawyers, and she is of course specializes not in simple murder and slaughter which everybody can do, but she talks a high-end thing about cyberspace. So identity thefts and cyber defamation, cyber squatting and all these kind of things is what she specializes in. It is going to be very difficult, but I have requested her to summarize, I think, to 10 minutes. Now, getting a lawyer to say something in 10 minutes, but I think the point that I want her to do is to say that when people are using Facebook or LinkedIn, etc., we may be in a very social mood, but there are legal liabilities nonetheless. So now the advice is given to everybody that if you're drunk, don't write anything on your social media. Be careful about it because you're legally liable. So she will touch upon some of these major things, and then of course we have Professor G.D. Sharma, who has been the Secretary of the University Grants Commission. Some of you have of course met him, and he will talk about the regulatory aspects, because we've been in a sense saying that it's regulatory bodies which come in the way of progress. Now that he's out of being an active regulator, he can give a better perspective. He understands all the 4 legislations that have been passed. He understands the thing about foreign universities being allowed to come in and made to kept out, etc., that kind of a balance. Again, I request him to say the key points in a short time, and then we'll have some time for closing. And I think it has been a fairly interesting day. At least I have learned a lot, and I'm sure all of you have also learned something from the diverse set of speakers that we have. So once more, applause.